In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a receipt on AliExpress. So there are a few different ways to do this. The first one is simply going to your profile and go to My Orders, find the order, click on it and go to Order Details. And inside of there, you should be able to download a receipt. And you can also download invoice if you've paid VAT on it. Usually you can do that. Now, if this doesn't work, the second option that you can do is go and check your email. Sometimes they're going to send you the order summary with receipt and everything on your email. And the third option is once you're inside of here, you go to the order once again, and you should have a button to contact the seller. Now, if you didn't receive your receipt or anything, you can contact the seller and you can ask them to send you one. Now, any of these three should work for you, but if none of it works, come down here and press Need Help and then talk with support, and they should be able to get it for you. So that's basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.